I recently purchased this replacement mirror for my 2017 F-250 XLT. It's real simple to change out. Everything works real good on it. The only difference between this and the OEM mirror is the telescoping feature. It's fixed. But I pull trailers all the time, and it's not really that big of a deal. Essentially, you just pop off this trim cover. You put a little flat bar right here. It pops off. There's 2 bolts and then 2 nuts and 1 connector. It pops off, pops on. Real easy to install. All the power mirror portions work, and the only thing that doesn't work is the telescoping thing, because this replacement doesn't include that. But the power mirror itself will work. The light does function on it. It matches with OEM.